हम लोग क्यों auto regression use करें in text?
sense.
Very simple.
Okay.
Why is
Remix
text
किया बस
using
text के लिए. Okay.
Yeah, why are you using auto regression in text when it has so many problems?
Yeah.
And not just use a diffusion model for text itself.
Makes
And
sense.
the answer when you ask that question is that, well, you don't know how long the response will be.
Right.
That is a problem because अगर gibberish डालना है कितना gibberish डालोगे उसमें?
Right.
What is even considered gibberish in text?
Right. So with diffusion LLMs, right? What would make you switch from whatever your current workflow is for your use case?
Yeah.
What would make you switch to diffusion LLMs? Of course, public
Yeah,
release, but apart from that,
I think I'm already on the train. I just expect it to be almost as smart as ChatGPT or Claude. If it is almost as smart now, then I'm on that train. It's very simple to recruit me on this one because not only me, I think every single developer who is doing vibe coding is waiting for this particular moment where vibe coding is so insanely faster than regular coding that you actually consider. See, abhi problem ye hai na, when you have to decide between whether you want to code it yourself or whether you want the AI to code it for you, the biggest problem there is time, right? The biggest factor there in decision is time, because अगर मेरे को कुछ चीज खत्म करना है in some amount of time, then me vibe coding it should be faster than that, right? Otherwise there is one factor is time and the other factor is that, well, मुझे chill करना है, maybe I want to just watch a YouTube video here while I'm doing coding and stuff. That is another factor. But then you get to a point where vibe coding
what
might
about
take you
privacy, security, what's up? If you're
privacy security, yes, but again, you are not running a diffusion LLM on your machine. You're definitely not.
Okay.
वो तो नहीं जाने वाले कहीं पे भी.
Okay.
We're not there in terms of future, but yeah, but one of the things is that diffusion LLM, because it is 10 times faster and 10 times more efficient, it can actually be run on like laptops and stuff. It can be, like, if that is true, then it can be run on laptops and stuff. So yeah, that is another future that we are headed towards. Like diffusion LLM could be like the next step towards edge AI, right? Because 10 times faster and 10 times more efficient. Yani ki if I need a like RTX 3090 to run a particular LLM, if it is a diffusion LLM, I just need something like a 1660 or like much smaller GPU. Basically, instead of buying a 1.5 lakh ka GPU, I can buy like a 10,000 ka GPU, and now it can run the same model that it can run, that a 1.5 lakh ka GPU can run, right? So that diffusion, that efficiency increase there. But as I was saying with the coding part, specifically the coding part, is that you have to make a decision between, right, do I want more comfort and long time, or do I want to work hard but reduce the time? That is the balance you are trying to figure out. Once you have diffusion LLMs which are much faster than regular LLMs, you integrate into cursor and stuff, then I think there will be a huge influx of people into vibe coding, because not only are you chilling and relaxing, but you're also coding it faster.
Yeah.
Right. So it's
Makes sense.
It's going to change the world.
Yeah.
So like in terms of
how
behavioral
soon
patterns.
do you think that is going to happen?